Welcome to Education Rocks, kindergarten to grade 6 student learning activities. Reduce hours of prep. Students not at grade level? Nonverbal or speech-delayed students? Emergency subplans? New grade or split grade? Teach all ELA and math outcomes every day? Personalize student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice? Easel by TpT Activities and Assessments? Yes! Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and Math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 4th grade ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading comprehension, such as predicting, inferring, metacognitive strategies, and summarizing text. Indigenous storytelling and reading fluency. Reading strategies, such as determining subgenres, personal preferences, literacy forms, text structure, characters, and dramatization. Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary and word morphology. Pre-writing, such as questions and text features. Organizational writing. Revisional writing. Citation and text features. Proofreading and parts of speech. Spelling patterns, word families, spelling strategies and suffixes and prefixes. Homophones, compound words, and irregular plurals. There are 6 4th grade ELA units. This one is the Conventions Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments. Proofreading, interrogative sentences, and sentence structure, such as verb tense, subject-verb agreement, nouns and pronouns, adjectives and adverbs, and conjunctions. Spelling patterns, word families, spelling strategies, and suffixes and prefixes. Homophones, compound words, and irregular plurals. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks Inc. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice, share a Google slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum, every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 4th grade math full curriculum looks like. Decimal notation, prime and composite numbers, greatest common factor, and multiplication and division facts. Multiplication and division problems, equivalent fractions and decimals, and simplifying fractions. Decimals and percentages and equalities and inequalities. Measuring attributes and geometric properties. Indigenous measurement, geometric properties, angles, and numeric sequences. Measuring time and data and visuals. Addition and subtraction problems. There are 16 4th grade math units. This one is the Measurement Angles Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Estimate, compare, and measure angles. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. Over 200 digitally compatible Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency subplans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use package for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for math. Get all math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price.
Shop at Teachers Pay Teachers. Use the URL below to follow me on TpT. Followers and new customers receive extra discounts. More exciting information included in the video description. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca. Have a great year!